Tired of endless interviews and a hiring process that feels like a never-ending saga? In today's video, we're diving into how Revolut, the fintech giant, tackles the challenge of rapidly hiring top-notch back-end engineers because let's face it, these roles are crucial for their continued innovation and global expansion. Step 1. Identifying the core needs. Revolut understands that a streamlined hiring process begins with crystal-clear job descriptions. They identify the specific skills and experience absolutely essential to the role. This means going beyond generic requirements and crafting roles that actually fit their needs. It allows them to attract candidates most closely matched to their requirements. Step 2. Smart sourcing and talent pools. Revolut leverages multiple sourcing channels, including its own career pages, LinkedIn, and specialized tech job boards. Importantly, they build talent pools, proactively identifying and engaging with potential candidates even before a specific role becomes available. Step 3. Optimized screening. They move past the traditional resume-only reliance. Revolut integrates technical assessments early in the process. These could include coding challenges, take-home assignments, or even short, focused quizzes to quickly evaluate a candidate's practical abilities. Step 4. Targeted interview structure. Revolut structures its interviews to be efficient, focusing on skills, cultural fit, and problem-solving capabilities specific to back-end engineering. They aim to assess both the hard technical abilities and the soft communication and collaboration skills required in a fast-paced environment to see if the applicant would work well with the team. Step 5. Speedy decision-making and onboarding. Revolut works hard to keep the hiring process quick. They empower hiring managers to make timely decisions. Then, once a candidate is selected, the onboarding process becomes a key focus. This ensures new team members feel supported and integrated quickly. By focusing on these steps, Revolut demonstrates how efficient hiring is possible. It's not just about speed, but about finding the right talent that allows them to maintain pace in the competitive fintech world. This gives them a huge advantage. So, if you're looking to reduce your hiring time, take some inspiration from the strategies used by a major player like Revolut. Happy hiring!